Alright, so here's my Poulan XT gear drive 42-inch deck tractor mower. It looks like all it's missing is just a seat, so let's go ahead and hop on and uh-oh. Nah, I'm just kidding. I knew that was there. I took it off. So I took the fuel tank out, took the cover off, and I bought it, and it was missing the carburetor and the intake tube, and I've got all that stuff in. Got the carb, intake tube. I'm waiting on the air tube that comes off the other side of the carburetor up to the filter, and I'm waiting on bolts. Got some gaskets, fuel lines, spark plug, filters, shut off switch, clamps, all that good stuff. Got bolts for the intake, waiting on the other bolts that mount the carburetor to there. And clean everything out. Put the fuel tank back in, get a battery for it, and it needs tires, because, yeah, that's the walk around. Alright guys, this is some very complex stuff. It really helps if you turn the fuel on before you start the lawnmower. Alright y'all, so we started the mower up and it ran and it had a nasty misfire. You could hear it popping and surging. It's a new carburetor, so I'm only hoping that it's adjusted right, it's got the right jets in it, because it was a Chinese carburetor, but I'm hoping that it's just a spark plug. As you can see, the old one is white, it's pretty foul. I got a new one, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in and see if that fixes it. Hopefully it does, and then I'm gonna change out of these pants because I'm in Florida and it's hot, and then I'm gonna mow. So let's see. All right, y'all, so when I put the spark plug in, the misfiring stopped, but it was still popping and backfiring. So it was a Chinese carburetor, so I did have to adjust the idle screw and the fuel air mixture screw. It wasn't a big deal. I got it tuned up, so it's running like a top now. The idle is smooth, it runs good at high power, and the blades engage well. So it mows great. It's a solid mower. All it needs is a seat. But I'm gonna keep it for a little bit and probably mow with it a little bit, and then I'll end up selling it. Still make a good profit, but I'll do another video where I'll break down everything I spent on the mower and what my profits were after I sell it. I wanna give a special thanks to my buddy Kevin from the Kevin Sornig YouTube channel. He helped me put those new tires on in the front wheels because they were all cracked and dry rotted and flat. I went to his shop and he hooked me up with some tire spoons. If you guys are big into Harleys, any motorcycle, he does a lot of home repair stuff, just man shit, you know. He's a good guy. Go follow him on YouTube, it's Kevin Sornig. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description below. Thank y'all for watching this video. Click subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one.